Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna cover a newly launched application which is for Android and iOS platform both, through which you can turn up your images into animations, like video animations. That's right. Well, I don't know about you guys, but there have been few times when I have been to a really nice location. I've got a really good picture, but then just to make that picture stand out, I always wish that it could be like a video or maybe something more which I could add to that particular image, which makes that image stand out. We use a lot of photo editing softwares, but I have used like a lot of softwares from my own end, but then I've never came across with something like this. This is a newly launched application. The name of the application is Pixaloop. I will be giving you the link below in the description for the particular application, and I will also demonstrate a few of my pictures through which you can understand that how you can animate those pictures, and how can you turn those pictures into an animated GIF and upload it on your Facebook, Instagram, social media accounts, wherever you like. So without any further delay, let's get started. And if you like my videos, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my particular channel. The subscribe button is at the right hand corner of your screen. Here we are. To get the application, you can go to your Google Play Store account or your App Store account. In this scenario, I have already downloaded the app. You need to search for Pixaloop, that is Pixaloop, on the Play Store. I am opening this particular application. Here are few of the projects which I've already worked upon. I'm gonna show you a newly. One second. I will just show you a newly launched project. Yeah, over here. So I have a plain image of the Scooby-Doo background. I'm sorry for that. And I'm going to animate this particular image. Now, how do you do that? First of all, you click on animate, then you click on path. You set up the paths which you want the image to workflow in. Like, for instance, if I want, in this scenario, I want the trees and the road to be, viewed as they are moving. So that's what I added. I also want the road to be moving. So I'll add few parts over here as well, and I'll just play. Now when you play, you will see that along with the trees, the characters are also moving, but I don't want the characters to move. So what I'll do is I'll set up an anchor tag. You click on the anchor button and you add the anchor tags wherever, from which area, the area which you do not want to be moving. You just set up your anchor tags over there. Okay, now as you can see, the rest of the background is moving but the car. So I'm just going to save it. So for saving, you can actually click on the right hand top button over here and you can say export. It's a 6 second of video. The quality is already given. You can just export it. The video has been saved to your gallery. I don't want to share it with anyone right now. I will just make you show. So this is the project which we made. Just to make you understand. Wait. Okay, it's not actually giving the horizontal view, but as you can see, the image is moving, the car isn't. So it actually creates an animation effect. I will just demonstrate another picture as well for you. Just a moment. So for the second image, I'm going to take another image which I just downloaded over here. Yeah. So as you can see, there is no animation to this picture. The girl is on the like nearby the waterfall. Now I want to add the animation effect to this waterfall itself, but the girl. So again, I'll click animate, put the path. I want this water to be moving from here and this particular waterfall. Now again, I'll play. So it's actually animating the entire picture along with the girl, but wherein I don't want the girl to be animated. So I'll put the anchor tags again around the girl. And I will just export it. Let me just check if, yeah. Again, export it the same way, clicking on the right hand top corner. Not able to share. So over here is my project. You click on play and it will actually look as if the waterfall is moving, but the girl isn't. Can you see the animation of the water as well as the waterfall? So yeah. So this is the application which I wanted you guys to know about today. Please have a look at the video and please let me know in the comment section how did you like the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.